trouble.
Oh.
Alright, Brittany.
You're getting my face at your ass. I fell. Sorry. Are you taking a video of me? You're not making up with me.
It's such a funny ass picture.
Let me see
Ridiculous.
it. Oh my god, I look like a boy. I do, huh? I look like a boy. Fuck. Okay.
Brittany, chill the fuck out.
Wait, can use my arms. My arms sketch me.
Your arms look even shorter now.
Do you ever think you're a dinosaur?
How much camera crap did you smoke today, Brittany?
A lot.
Yeah? Sit the fuck down, Brittany.
That's what I kept
Brittany,
hearing last
sit
night.
down.
Huh?
That's all I kept hearing last night. Casey, sit down.
Can I go
Even though I
down
sat
the
on
lane
that chair
in my
for 2 hours.
straight jacket. In my straight jacket.
Are you running in the rain?
Yes, I'm in the rain.
So what are we taking?
What could I say?
Calm down a little bit.
Chilling, bro.
Right now, she's not capable of
Yeah,
leaving.
it's true.
Are you a dinosaur?
Come play! Why isn't anyone playing with me?
This is fucking fun.
Come play!
Dude, this is only because of a joint and a bowl. That's it. This is free to the fuck
I really
out.
wish someone would have videoed last night.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, fucking.
The earth is being washed by the universe. It's such a beautiful thought. Like, it's so beautiful.
We could put this on YouTube.
I was like, we're in the forest. I can't wait to grow old. You know why? Then I can do whatever the fuck I want. Whatever the fuck I want. And people can't tell me shit because I've lived a whole life and they can't tell me I'm just stupid and young.
You're just stupid.
I'm so glad I didn't wear makeup today.
Dude, I couldn't put makeup on today, even if I wanted to.
Did you get the title? It's like that one girl for the one girl.
Get laid!
It's like a fucking 4-minute video.